Hello mga kababayan! Good morning! Good morning here in Canada. It's Thursday here, Holy Thursday. So ngayon mga kababayan, hindi muna tayo magre-react. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung free breakfast program ng school. I'm working dito sa public high school dito sa Canada. So sana doon sa Pilipinas, dyan sa Pilipinas, meron rin ganitong program na libre yung breakfast sa mga bata. Ang breakfast program po namin ay open between 8:15 to 8:40. And meron pong nagvo-volunteer na teacher, assistant teacher na she will come earlier than her time in. Ang time in niya is 8:45 pero she will come at 8 o'clock or 7:45 to prepare the breakfast. And usually, meron po talaga yung fruits and vegetables. All schools, elementary, middle school at saka high school. Tapos, upo muna ako dito kasi maaga pa. Tapos, sa likod ako, dito ako sa likod kasi para may nature yan. Tapos, sana sa Pilipinas meron rin ganito para yung mga bata gustong pumasok sa school, di ba? Tapos hindi gutom. Magkano lang naman yan kahit bread, di ba? Tapos yung mga bake shop dyan, meron sila mga 1 day or 2 day old na bread, i-donate na nila sa school. At saka I hope na kung politician kayo or meron kayong mga kakilala na politician, i-advise nyo ito kasi yung mga bata po kasi hindi mo pa mapasok kasi gutom. So it will invite them to go to school kasi merong libreng breakfast kahit lang naman bread or simple bread and margarine. Tapos mga ganyan lang. Dito merong fruits and vegetables. Tapos meron ring bread, merong milk. So depende sa school. Pero fruits and vegetables po talaga meron. So kuha lang yung mga bata. Yung iba, hindi kumukuha kasi maaga rin. Usually sa mga bata, late nang dumating, di ba? Or is on time, 7:45, pero close na itong breakfast program. So dapat maaga silang dumating. So I will show you kung ano ito. Tapos i-advise nyo sa mga kakilala nyo dyan sa Pilipinas na sundin ito. See you later! Bayan, nandito na po tayo sa breakfast program portion ng school. So, here, kaming freezer. We are dito sinustore yung mga bread, mga ganyan. So, kailangan ng mag-grocery para i-fill up yan. Tapos, meron rin dito mga supplies. That's our volunteer, Karin. She's a teacher here, pero she's volunteering free of charge for this free breakfast program of school. She comes here earlier than her time. Right, Karin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she's the hero here in our school. And then look at that freezer. There, fruits, all are free. So, guys, please, oh, look at that, so fresh. Thank you, Karin, for your service. And then students will come here. It's now open, so students can go there and pick whatever they want. So, mga kababayan, meron din ganito, libre rin. Everything is free. Look, yes. So, what is this?
Sausage.
Yeah, sausage. We have the mini naan. Then we have hummus. And then we have yogurt. Korean, during our time in the Philippines, we have only free bread. But now it's stopped.
Oh no.
Yeah, bread, and it smells good because the what do you call that? The flour is imported from the US. So yeah, so now no more even bread. And look at that. See that, mga kababayan. Tapos yung mga student, they will just pick up the bread and put it here. Hi girls, look at them, so pretty. Oh, look at Karin. So she will put everything here para sa mga student. And then students will pick up everything what they want and then put it there for the bread. There's cheese. I can get one cheese. Karin, give me one cheese.
You may have 2 cheese.
Yeah, just one because you know the cholesterol. So anyways, guys, this is our breakfast program here in Canada. So you imitate this one in the Philippines, please, for the kids. Even just for a bread, right, Corinne?
Yes,
even just
exactly.
for a bread.
Eat it
What
with
is
the
bread? Oh,
bread.
look at there. Oh, so it's done. That's already toasted. And there's the chocolate and the jam and the butter. Okay, thank you so much mga kababayan. And sana if you have family or friends in politics, please tell them to imitate this kind of program for the kids. Okay? Ingat kayo dyan. Take care. Love from Canada. Bye-bye.